So far, as well as that support, Jarvan does get taken away. The final one, are they going to let Shen available?
So this is the question here. We know Wick does like to run Shen, so if...
Carini, la concha. Mata la web.
He's got it! I do not believe what Froggen just did! He's just done a Peke on Peke!
Evil Genius have lost it. Look at them. They are jumping. They are screaming. There are going to be tears of joy in the Geniuses camp because that was a genius play. Peke, he created it, but right now Froggen perfected it.
Absolute brilliant play, and Froggen proving why many say he is the best in the world, and really putting his mark out there, I think I would say, as a top Twisted Fate player. So, what a game, ladies and gentlemen. Let's get over to Joe and Jason to take us through the decimation that Evil Geniuses just put on Fnatic.